Hello everyone, hope you had great holidays. It's the end of the year now. I wish 2020 will be great success for your trading journey. I hope you gained more experience throughout 2019 and hopefully our trading idea are boosting your knowledge and skills in this amazing domain. Now let me do a small recap about last week trading idea. Almost nothing changed in the AUD and the D. We are still waiting the breakout from this pattern. I was rooting for the breakout for the double bottom, but mainly we are now in a triangle, a descending triangle actually. It might break down. In all cases, we will watch the breakout to decide whether to enter long or short. So focus on 1.04 and 1.045 to decide. Now let's move to this week trading idea. Today we're gonna talk about the USD yen. The JPY was a poor performer ending the months unchanged, which is surprising because USD yen has strong correlation with the US stock market. As you can see, the Dow Jones ended the week at a fresh record highs, and yet the dollar yen barely moved. This might be a red flag for the US equities, which might lose momentum. Usually, a decline in the US stock market would strengthen the yen. So if this is the top for the Dow Jones and we will be heading down, we could expect a decline in the dollar yen. If you go back to history in this pair, I checked last 7 years, the Japanese yen got some strength at the beginning of each year. So we could see a decline in this pair at the beginning of January or even at the end of December. Now let's move to the technical analysis part. It's true that according to statistics and fundamentals, this pair might decline, but this does not mean that we should rush on the short positions. We should see the technical analysis to decide when to enter because technical is always about the right timing. Speaking weekly chart, trend remains bearish, and you can see that last month we were consolidating between 109.7 and 108.6. These two dodgy stars show us that it was hard for buyers to break this strong resistance and trend. Let me zoom to the daily time frame. 109.7 managed to hold on buyers. So this level is very critical for sellers to maintain it as resistance. And as long as this level is still attracting sellers, you could see a decline in the price for this pair. And the break for this trend could mean a test for the 108 or even more. So we have a good risk to reward ratio here. And of course, you need to make sure that this trend is broken. Now let me show you some statistics for the movement for this pair during these times of the year. As you can see, the trading range was wide last couple of years. So we might witness a good movement on this pair. So get ready. So that is it for me this week. Thank you guys for listening. That was the last trading idea for 2019. I hope you are getting benefit from these ideas and I will see you next year.